Howdy everyone, my name is Avram Plager, and today I'll be showing you my community on locals.com. Locals.com is a website that's great for small creators like myself to post content and engage with our audience. So to begin, you'll click your Get Started button. That'll take you to a page where you can create your login. From there, you'll go to Find Creators or Communities and type in CAD Modeling Tutorials. From there, you'll see My Community. Once you click on My Community and make sure you're logged in when you do this, it'll bring you to this page where you can then join my community. To join my community, click here Manage Support and click Subscribe Now. There's a $3 monthly subscription, and this is mostly to keep away trolls or scammers that want to get on and spread misinformation about what I'm doing. So there you'll put in your credit card information. It's very safe and secure, and nobody can access your credit card information. This will be a monthly subscription that you'll get charged, but it's anything above $3. So if you just want to stick with the minimum, that's perfectly fine. But I do encourage you to donate anything above that because that helps me to continue making great content. As a supporter, you'll get all of my content here. I'll post all of my videos here, and you'll also be able to interact person to person with me. You can post work that you've done in CAD, and you can comment on other people's posts. Also, and this is only available to my supporters on CAD Modeling Tutorials Locals.com, is I'm offering one-on-one tutoring via Zoom. You can direct message me or email me via the email in the comments, and I'll be sure to set up a Zoom conference with you over any questions you have. If you have a varying software and you need some help with that, I'll be happy to help you. So again, make sure you go to locals.com, set up your login, and become a member of my CAD modeling tutorials. Thank you, and remember to like and subscribe.